プレゼンに入ります前に今後しばらく英語でのプレゼンテーションに始めます。で各プレゼンテーションに先立ちまして、簡単な概要をあらかじめご説明させていただきたいと思います。まず冒頭は、CADMATIC 社の最新のビジネス状況を皆様と共有させていただきます。CADMATIC 社今年で40周年を迎えました。それを契機に、現在2026年にかけまして、かなり意欲的な成長プランを策定しています。売上規模で3倍以上、従業員数でも3倍以上というような形での成長プランとなっておりまして、特に日本を中心とした日中韓のアジア市場へも非常に注目をして、CADMATICの導入拡大を目指しているところでございます。また成長プランに伴いまして、積極的な M&A も行っておりますし、この後個別で紹介いたしますエレクトリカルや、E シェアといったような、新しいソリューションも、提供し続けております。おかげさまで、過去3年間、コロナもございましたけれども、186社もの新規顧客の獲得も得ております。一例としてごく最近ではカナダにありますシースパンという造船所でございますが、さまざまな協業他社とのコンペに勝ち抜きまして、CADMATIC社が採用されております。でまたこれまで、ソフトウェアは、基本買い取りという形での提供でございますけれども、現在サブスクリプション的な、ご提供という準備を、進めております。最後になりますけど、あとは、本日の個別のプレゼンテーションには含まれておりませんが、この 3D モデルを利用しました建造工程の計画およびその管理を行うような、いわゆる生産工程をDX するというそのためのソリューションの提供も準備を始めております。そういったさまざまな情報を簡単にご説明させていただきます。
So I will give you a short introduction of the latest business news in CADMATIC, what we have been doing lately. As you know, we have a very long tradition in CADMATIC software development and in the marine industry. We had this year our 40th year anniversary in Finland, and we were happy to have a big group of CADMATIC people around the world, more than 200 people gathered together in our celebrations in Turku. For the next 4 years we have a big growth targets in CADMATIC. We plan to increase the turnover more than 3 times, about something similar for the manpower. It will include, besides organic growth, also mergers and acquisitions to acquiring different companies fitting to our portfolio. We will invest a lot in improving the customer services, R&D, and widening the product portfolio. Of course, we need to do this using the latest technologies to support the DX at the shipyards. Especially, we have 2 different focuses in CADMATIC. One is the need of the large shipyards. We will focus on the large yards, what is needed there. We already have a good number of large shipyards in our customer portfolio. We also have a close cooperation today with Napa company, as you have seen from the previous meetings. And since most of the shipyards today building ships are located in Asia, in Japan, China, and South Korea. We are also focusing on the needs of the Asian shipyards in our software development. One part of our mergers and acquisitions has lately been the acquisition of an Italian company called CLA. We purchased that company and including the software they have been acquiring. They are 22 persons located south from Milan, concentrating on the material and construction management software and engineering data management solutions. And now we are integrating these software packages into our other product portfolio. We have been growing a lot in the recent years. From 2015, we were 50 people in Finland. Then after the merger of CADMATIC and Numeric Centrum, we became more than 100 persons, and today we have grown to be 350 people worldwide. That's quite a good number of people, and we still aim to have, let's say, 2.5–3 times of this amount of people in 2026. In Finland, according to the local studies about the R&D expenditure in the IT companies, we are number 7, so we invest a lot from the turnover into R&D, into product development of the software. And we have a very, very healthy financial situation thanks to our good growth. Today we have more than 40% of the active shipyards building commercial vessels. They are using CADMATIC software, and that number is growing fast. Over 900 customers in 54 countries. And I calculated that since the previous Sasebo seminar in 2019, we have close to 200 new marine customers using now the CADMATIC software, which means that we are the fastest developing shipbuilding solution on the market. And we see that our biggest competitor, Aveva, is having less and less focus on the marine industry. People are leaving the company, they are reducing the manpower at the marine side. We have been happy to hire new people from there, picking the best talents from there to expand our knowledge. We have been also widening our own office network worldwide. One of the latest offices is located in Vancouver, Canada, where we lately got a new customer, Seaspan, which is building non-compact vessels for the Canadian Coast Guard and Royal Canadian Navy. Very interesting projects, and they made the evaluation between CADMATIC, Aveva, and ship constructor, and they choose to have a CADMATIC software for the future use at the shipyard. Now more than 300 design licenses using ESER, our information management tool, and also our production planning and control software. In Asia, we have also been busy to expand our office network. We actually have a new office opened in India. In Shanghai, we already had office for many years in China. Now we are increasing the manpower there. The latest office in Asia is in Busan, where we have hired our first people during the last 1 year and setting up the office there. In Japan, we are now tightening our cooperation with NYK Training and SCA Systems, our long-time very good partners here locally. Today you will see the presentations, the latest updates for the Haaland structural outfitting, piping, electrical automation and information management. But for the future demand from the large shipyards, they are all the time asking more and more PLM related functionality. We will expand our portfolio with some other items besides these traditional things. So we will offer things for project management, change management, material management, document management, and also things like IoT, for example. You would be able to follow up the usage of the cutting machines, etc. So this will be a very interesting collaboration platform, widening our portfolio offering for the marine industry. We will later on inform you about this new offering from the CADMATIC side. We also want to bring more value for our customers, offering different ways of licensing CADMATIC software. So we will start to offer software as a service, cloud-based offerings. Plan is to have that started next year. We also have a nice software today for production planning and control, where you can make task level planning for the production, visualize it nicely, visualize the task and statuses, and then also it takes care of the shop floor control and time and process checking and tracking as well. In the previous Sasebo seminar 2019, we already did present CADMATIC Electrical, which was the latest acquisition to our portfolio at that time. Today you will also hear the latest news from that, and what has happened since is that we have been now able to integrate electrically tightly with our other product offering, which was not the case, of course, there in the very beginning. And we also have got the first customers. This is some of the selected marine customers for that. Globally, we have here in Japan, Tsuneshi Shipping is using our electrical. We have a new customer from China, C-SPAN, which I already mentioned. They are also using electrical software, and then Closten, it's a design office which is working, for example, to C-SPAN and many other shipyards. They are also using CADMATIC electrical software today. In the information management, we have been having also very interesting further development. Most of the advanced shipyard customers at our site using our software, they have implemented the eShare software, the platform, the digital twin. You have seen today already videos by our local partners. Markus will show something new on there, what is the latest thing. And then Eco, which is a tablet-based 3D viewer, that's a very popular thing being used at the shipyards today. So we are very happy to support you in the DX taking place at your shipyards to be even more competitive in the competition today. This is very hard between the shipyards. I hope you will enjoy our presentations today. Thank you.